But anyway, congratulations, guys.
Thank you so much.
This was shot last year.
Last year around October, November.
Yeah, around October, November.
And you guys weren't busy that time. You just focus on this one that time.
I was actually filming Penduko at the same time. So pinagsabay ko silang dalawa. But we finished it, this one, around the same time as Penduko.
How does this differ into past projects nyo? Because you said you had one ages ago, right?
Yeah.
How's it this time around?
Well, before this project, I was doing Linlang, so it was totally different.
Ibang light. But is this light ba yung character mo dito, or would it have a
It's very,
yeah, it's
he's very light.
very light. Actually, if you watch, I mean, maybe that's just me, but para talagang OFW yung trinay ko as much as possible to be as organic as it could be.
Actually, mahirap mag-portray ng mga kapatid nating OFW because they represent so much.
Yeah.
What preparations did you do to give justice, di ba, sa hirap ng pagtrabaho nila?
Yung mga kapamilya nating OFW.
Oo. Yun na, di ba, ang dami?
I've been to several shows abroad, and a big market talaga ng mga shows na yun are immigrants or Filipino workers abroad, and parang their stories are really something else. It's really something that inspires you, and parang minsan mag-self-reflect ka na lang na parang, di ba, itong mga taong to, ang layo nila sa mga pamilya nila, sa mga mahal nilang buhay. Patuloy pa rin nilang ginagawa yung trabaho nila para sa mga minamahal nila sa buhay. Pero at the same time, parang there's also career-driven people that work abroad. Parang siguro this film, parang half and half nung dalawang yun yung pinapagod.
Pao, napaka-bless mo ha. Sunod-sunod lahat ng mga projects mo. Where do you attribute all these blessings and good things coming your way?
Maybe
talent.
Hindi naman. Siguro it's maybe I would give it to luck.
Hindi naman. Ang ganda yung sabi ni Kylie.
Talent lang siguro.
The talent plus
Swinerte,
preparation
tsaka
and love.
kapit, kasi kaibigan ko yung director. Director at siya si Davina.
Hindi, saka parang maswerte ka sa mga Kea.
Malay mo. Sana...
Kylie, Kim.
Puro Kea na lang yung nasa buhay.
Kylie, ano masasabi mo sa success ni Pao right now with Kim's,
I'm so proud of them. Actually, fan ako ng Kim Pao. Fan ako ng, promise ha, at hindi ako madaling makilig. Sobrang kinikilig ako kapag tinignan ko yung mga...
Hindi mo pa naman pinapanood yung secretary ko.
Pinanood ko yung, okay, a bit, snippets of it, pero sa video pa lang nakita ko na, kinikilig ako. Promise, fan ako.
Accepting this project, hindi ka ba natakot kasi syempre may solid love team si Kim, si Pao with Kim. Syempre may bashers, may mga sasabihin ibang tao against you. May kilig kasi yung project.
We're not selling this as a love story project. We're selling this as an inspirational film.
Right.
Sana may matututunan kayo. And I really hope, and sana po supportahin din kami ng Kim Pao family. Because I have nothing but love for Paolo.
Ikaw din, happy ka din right now, di ba?
I'm very, very
Sobrang haba
happy.
ng hair ni Kylie.
Wow.
Kakagala na nakaman Tokyo.
Thank you. Pero nagpagupit ako Hindi masyado. Sorry po, we have to cut the po.
Last na lang, reaction na lang, Pao, doon sa sinabi ni Kylie na fan siya ng Kim Pao.
Well, to add sa sinabi ni Kylie before that, when we shot this film, I actually just finished Linlang, and parang, Linlang is such a heavy show, so yeah. But thank you, Kylie. It's always nice to put smiles in people's faces, and I think parang yun rin naman yung isang driving force ng tandem namin or tandem natin is to really put smiles on people's faces because parang mas kailangan ng mga tao yun.
Thanks, Pao.
Thank you po. Thank you.